Okay, I want y'all to see what happens. I just plugged this guy up and he just did something crazy, so we're going to plug the other guy up. It's the first time we plugged up the Dash robots.
Oh, I got those, Lydia. That's mine.
Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh, he's not going in.
Howdy do.
They just recognized each other.
Awesome.
Hi.
I see. Hey, whoa.
They're recognizing you.
I think that one sees Lydia and him.
They do talk.
Look, how are you doing? It's flashing green. It must mean that
It
he
sees the other one.
What is he doing? Why is he shaking his head?
He's just looking at you.
Hey,
Okay, make space for Anna. He's recognizing you. Isn't that crazy?
My name's Lydia. What's yours? My name is Malachi. My name's Lydia. What's yours? I see.
Get close to yours, Anna. There you go. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. What do you think, guys?
Awesome.
He keeps blinking his eye.
Yeah. Guys.
They're so cool.
What's that right there?
That's a sensor. He's watching you touch him.
Move.
Look at that. He responds to you.
Hi, my name's Lydia. What's yours?
They're not talking back yet. We haven't programmed them enough. Oh my goodness. They're very aware.
What's the 1, 2, and 3 for?
I don't know.
I see.
Oh, he just turned his eye around. That's wild.
What? I didn't see.
His eye goes. Woo.
Like a spin.
Knock it back up, buddy.
Good. Don't do that.
Oh, that.
Yeah, it flashes around.
What's it?
He said, "You, my friend, are awesome."
You mean I'm awesome? No. That's
You know
mine.
what will kill your robot?
What?
Drink.
What?
He said what?
She said, "It'll kill your robot." He goes, "What?"
What? What?
Please no.
Where am I? Eva. No.
All right, let's leave Dash alone.
Hi, Dash. Hi. Bye, Dash. What's your name? Will he be on while he's charging?
Yep, he apparently.
I saw a power button.
He said, "Interesting."
Ho ho ho.
Interesting.
Ho ho ho.